You've heard about DevOps, the most in-demand IT position in the US. Looking to seize that earning potential for yourself? Now's the time to up your skills and kickstart a career in one of the most flexible and rewarding fields of the 21st century. Penny Tech Academy accepts students from any experience and from any background. Even with no prior IT experience, if you're ready to learn and 10x your income, we have a unique ability to take you from a total novice to a DevOps guru in just a few months. You'll learn every facet of the profession, beginning with foundational computer skills, networking fundamentals, and Linux system administration. We go on to cover AWS cloud computing, scripting and automation tools, microservices, and CI and CD, and much more. Your instructors include Sebastian, a Linux system admin and cloud engineer with over 7 years of experience, along with Beauclair, a Java and AWS engineer with over 10 years of experience. The Penny Tech curriculum, built from years of design and testing, features hands-on, real-world exercises, the equivalent of shadowing a DevOps engineer doing their job. Upon completion, students enjoy the advantages of job search assistance, interview preparation, career coaching, and support. While similar programs cost well over $20,000, Penny Tech Academy is currently offering ours for only $4,000. We recognize your money is valuable. Before purchasing, check out what past students are saying about the program. Get ready to enter the lucrative world of development and operations. Work remotely, secure a high salary, and cement your career path with the best DevOps course in the country, and the only course you need to become a full-stack DevOps engineer. Visit pennytechacademy.com or call 240-200-6474 to enroll today. What are you waiting for?